Hi everybody, it is April and I am in my craft room, and today I am going to open up my So What box and share with you what I received. The people who create the So What box contacted me and asked me if I would like to share a box with you all and give you my opinion. Now, if you know me, I love giving my opinion. So I was like, absolutely, yes, send me the box. Besides that, I love surprises. Now, I haven't even opened this, so I have no idea what's in it. So I am going to be seeing this for the first time when you see it for the first time, unless, of course, you already have a subscription and you've probably already opened it. But don't spoil the surprise for the rest of us. So, let me get something to open this. I don't have one of those giant pirate knives, so I guess I'm just gonna have to be boring and use scissors. And not fabric scissors. Non-fabric scissors. Hopefully I won't cut myself. The packaging is so cute. You know, I can save this box and use it for something. Okay. Hello, Sewist. Spring has finally sprung. I am so, S-E-W, excited to celebrate spring with you in this box through the inclusion of some spring-inspired print fabrics. This month's notion, this box includes a handy snap bracelet ruler and a set of 5 thread spool savers. These savers can keep threads from unraveling in storage. Awesome, because over there are threads hanging down everywhere. This will be great. Oh, are you thready for this? Oh my gosh, it's so cute. I like clever. All right, here we go. Oh, it's a slap bracelet. I love it. That is awesome. Okay, and they have me at pretty colors. Look at this. Purple, pink, green, blue. I love it. Love it. So these are the thread savers. So let's see. Let me get some thread. Here is a prime example. I have this thread on my little thread holder and it's already started coming apart. So let's try this. I don't know if I'm coordinated enough. There you go. It has my thread under control. These are great. I'm gonna have to get me some more of those. And they're bright fun colors. Fabric bundle. Oh my gosh, so cute. Look at those colors together. And another ribbon. Gotta love a ribbon. All right, and here is a project. Oh, cute. Okay, I'm gonna have to, there we go. Swing basket. Finished basket measures 12 inches by 5 inches by 5 inches. So it's a card that comes in the kit, and it has the instructions on the back, and there's a video tutorial to go along with it. And you know I love video tutorials. I've got some pins. More of this adorable purple fabric. Oh my gosh, and it's already cut out for me. You can't get any better than that. This looks like some faux leather. And some pretty gray fabric. Looks like lining. Stabilizer. Already cut out. More stabilizer and thread. So all I have to add to this is a sewing machine, iron, and scissors. This is awesome. Okay, I love it. I'm officially in love with the box from So What. I like that the fabric is already cut out for you. These are my colors, purple, daisies. You can't go wrong. And very useful items too. Fun, useful. I love it. It's great. I will include in the description below how you can also sign up for this subscription and have something fun coming to you every month in your mailbox. And I want to thank the Sew What Box people for giving me the opportunity to look inside and see what goodies we have. Have a great day, eat some chocolate, and be kind to everyone. Until next time, bye. Sew What Box on this channel. Try this again and get these fun gifts every month. And I just spit when I was talking. Oh, come on. Hold on. Oliver. Oliver. Kitty, 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 kitty. Here, kitty, 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 kitty. And he's already lost interest.